Have you ever been sitting in front of a fire alarm control panel with a trouble condition and the people behind you breathing down your back expecting you to fix it immediately? In that moment, that's the real moment that will separate technicians who guess from the technicians who actually understand the fire alarm system. The problem most technicians face that they only follow steps. They don't really understand how the system actually operates. So when an unexpected problem happens, they usually panic. They do things like system reset or just try to replace devices thinking that the fire alarm system is going to just automatically clear that trouble. But fire alarm systems don't reward guessing. It rewards clear thinking and correct diagnosis when it comes to troubleshooting fire alarm devices. That's why I created the Spark Series Fire Alarm Field Notes Pocket Edition. It's a field companion built from real jobs, real fixes, and real failures to help you troubleshoot and diagnose fire alarm problems. Inside, you'll learn how the fire alarm system actually works, how to read panel conditions clearly, how to troubleshoot ground faults, open circuits, and any power issues you may have, the installation mistake that failed all inspections, and the mindset professional technicians use to solve problems fast. It's short chapters, clear logic, and it's built for the field. So if you work on any type of life safety system, this book will change how you think when you're standing in front of that panel. So grab your copy of the Spark Series Fire Alarm Field Notes today.